animals and their homes. Lion lives in a den. Bird lives in a nest. Bee lives in a hive. Dog lives in a kennel. Horse lives in a stable. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Spider lives in a web. Cow lives in a barn. Ant lives in an anthill. Bat lives in a cave. Snake lives in a hole. Elephant lives in a jungle. Buffalo lives in a stable. Crocodile lives in a water. Rat lives in a hole. Chicken lives in a coop. Duck lives in a pond. Cow lives in a shed. Deer lives in a grassland. Cat lives in a house. Bear lives in a cave. Sheep lives in a pen. Fish lives in a water. Camel lives in a desert. Squirrel lives in a tree hole. Monkey lives in a tree. Parrot lives in a cage. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel.